Gentleman from Georgia, Mr. Scott, who is also the chair of the House Agricultural Committee, is now recognized for 5 minutes.
Thank you, Chair Lady, and I am so excited to be on this panel at this time because we have a major issue here. I want to talk about our unbanked, underbanked, as we apply that to the child tax credit that has been in this, because we have an excellent opportunity here with you all who are the leaders, Mr. Jamie Dimon, Ms. Frazier, Mr. Monahan, Mr. David Sullivan, Mr. Scharf, and Mr. Gorman. You all represent our largest banks. And I want to put this to you. We've just passed the Child Credit, expanded the Child Tax Credit Act in the 199 trillion COVID relief package. Here's what it does: $3,600 for children under 6, $3,000 for children under 17, and each of the parents are getting guaranteed checks every month. But here's the problem. They cannot do this and receive it with direct payments. And that's what I am concerned about. To help us to make sure that their child tax credit payments can come by way of direct deposits. It's dangerous out there when they don't get it directly. These large series of money every month got to go to a payday lender or somebody on the check cashing service where they got to pay money. So we need to find out what we need to do about this. So Ms. Scharf, let me talk with you, because Wells Fargo has the largest number of branches. And I also checked with our Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, and let me give you these statistics. 13.8% of Black households are unbanked. 12.2% of Hispanic households are unbanked. But you know what it is for white households? It's less than 2.5%. So it seems to me, my bipartisan colleagues, Reverend Cleaver, myself, and Congressman French Hill from Arkansas has got a bill moving. It's over in the Senate now for financial inclusion. Tell us, if you can, what we must do. 70% of our African Americans live in neighborhoods with no branch bank. So please, Mr. Reef, you may start. What are you all doing? What can we do? Is there something we can add to our financial inclusion bill? Reverend Cleaver, myself, and Mr. French Hill from Arkansas, I'll be glad to work with you. Mr. Reef, you got the largest numbers of branch banking. What percentage of yours is in the Black neighborhoods?
Congressman, I share your concern on the issue and also the desire to make changes. And we as an institution are committed to bringing about the change that's necessary to bring more of the individuals that you're talking about into the system.
What would be that change? A move to put more branches available, reach out to community organizations, get these accounts established. It's dangerous.
I think it's a combination of financial education. It's a combination of product design, and it's it's also about having the right kind of facilities and the right kind of partners outside of the big banks themselves to ensure that what we're building is serving the needs of the community.
Mr. Diamond, what about you?
it's financial education. It's us doing a better job reaching out to the community. And like Charlie said, it's working with CDFIs and MDIs to improve that outreach.
All right. What about you, Mr. Solomon?
We have a very, very small consumer business. We have no branches, but I do think at a high level, just commenting generally, the comments that Mr. Diamond and Mr. Scharf made are correct. Financial education, using the network of CDFIs, mission-driven lenders, et cetera, for better reach out.
Well, I hope y'all know we got to solve this problem. We can't leave these people. Many of them are single-headed household, people with disabilities, with no bank accounts. They're out there, and the predators are waiting on them. We got to get their
Time has
red tape.
expired.